Hello everyone, welcome to Team WS channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix volume button problem in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So you can apply this method to any of your Samsung smartphone. Also this will fix your problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So basically volume button problem occurs when your software crash or if there is any hardware problem in your smartphone. So if there is any smartphone software problem, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.